A black screen on a Hisense Roku TV can appear without warning, even though the power light is on or the sound still works. In this video, I will show you every safe fix you can try at home to get your TV working again. Let's start with a full power reset, because this fix solves the black screen issue for many users. Unplug your TV from the wall and leave it unplugged for 5 minutes. While it's still unplugged, find the physical power button on the TV and hold it down for 30 seconds to drain any leftover power. After that, plug the TV back directly into the wall instead of using a power strip, and then turn it on using the physical button to see if the screen lights up again. Now we'll check if any HDMI cables or external devices are causing the problem. Remove every HDMI cable and USB device from the TV, and then turn the TV on with nothing connected. If the TV comes on normally, start plugging your devices back in one at a time. This helps you see if a specific cable or device was making the screen go black. Next, we need to make sure the TV is actually showing the right input, because a wrong input can also look like a black screen. Even if the TV is on, it won't show anything if it's set to an empty HDMI port or a device that isn't sending a signal. Use your remote and move through the input options like HDMI 1, HDMI 2, or AV. Try using a different HDMI cable as well. And if your TV has more than one HDMI port, test it in another port to confirm whether the screen stays black because of an input issue. If nothing has worked yet, you can try a soft reset using your Roku remote. Press the home button 5 times, then press the up button once, then press rewind 2 times, and finally press fast forward 2 times. After entering this sequence, give your TV a moment to respond or restart on its own. Finally, we'll do a simple flashlight test to check the backlight. Turn on your TV even if the screen looks black. Shine a flashlight close to the screen and move it around. If you can see faint images on the screen, the backlight is not working and the TV will need a technician to fix it. This test only helps you confirm the issue. It doesn't repair anything. That's it for this video on fixing the black screen on your Hisense Roku TV using safe and simple steps you can try at home. I hope this guide helps you get your screen working again. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more easy tech tips. If you have any questions or if one of these fixes worked for you, let me know in the comments below. I'd love to hear your feedback. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.